Hi, my name is Robert Partida. I'm a world geography teacher here at Manvel High School. So I thought I'd start my introduction here by introducing you to our Manvel High School webpage. So you see here, you have a lot of things a lot of good information you can find on our webpage for Manvel High School. Okay, I just wanted to show you how you get into the information that applies to me. Okay, so once you go to the Manvel High School webpage, if you go to faculty right here, and kind of scroll down, you'll see that my name is really at the bottom right there, Robert Partida. Please don't make the mistake of getting my wife, Cristina Partida. She teaches Spanish. Okay, so Robert Partida, that's me. So just wanted to, once you click on here, you'll see that you'll see on my web page, you'll see all the codes that you need for my Google Classrooms. Okay, so if you're in one of my classes, they all are face-to-face. So you kind of have everything that you need right there to log on to the Google Classroom. Not that we're going to do virtual, but we do turn in a lot of stuff on our Google Classroom because we're really not allowed to take up papers. So other things that you have on here is, of course, the materials needed for class, spiral notebook, a 1-inch 3-ring binder, the typical stuff you would have for a face-to-face class. Also on here, you can see that I have my syllabus. So I just wanted to touch base a little bit on the syllabus. Once you click on the syllabus, though, it will open it up for you, okay? And it'll look like this, okay? So you can download it to your computer and have it if you like. Right, so our expectations for face-to-face are the same as they've always been, okay, guys? Parents, the one exception this year is, of course, that almost all assignments, I'd like to say, are going to be turned in on Google Classroom, okay? Please have them turn it in a timely manner. It's a crazy time we're living in. We do have some deadlines that we have to meet, okay? And sometimes with the computers and everything, they don't always work like you want them to. So we're trying to get all this stuff done. So one of the new things this year, however, is our grading procedures that have changed a little bit. Our minor grades have actually become 70% more. It used to be the opposite, right? So now our major grades like tests and projects are worth 30% and our daily work grades are worth 70%. So what we do in class becomes very, very essential for them to pass, okay? Other stuff on here is like our classroom rules, guys. It's something similar what we've had in the past, right? As for your bring your own device, they do need a device to turn in assignments, but we don't always have to do the assignments online. Sometimes we do it because it becomes just easier for them to do it online. Okay, or watch videos or whatever it is that we're doing in that class period. Okay, here are my tutorial times: Monday and Wednesday, 3 to 3:30, and may come in the morning from 7 a.m. to 7:15. That's traditionally not a tutorial time, but I am here from 7 to 7:15, and that is students kind of go to the first period and kind of sit around. So if they want to come in and ask me a question or something else, then by all means. And then, of course, by appointment, right? If they want to see me like on a Friday after school, sometimes I'm here till 3:30 or 4. Most of the time I'm here till 3:30 or 4 at the very least, okay? Also on my syllabus here, you'll see that it has, what you need for class, which is a typical stuff. Spiral notebook, half-inch spiral notebook, blue or black pens, small box of crayons or map colors, because we can no longer share. I do have those, but you can no longer share because of the whole situation. Right, and so also on here you see that the materials that we're going to cover in class. Right now we're just on Unit 3, Population and Migration. We're going to move on to Culture, and then next semester kind of political and economic geography. So we do cover a whole lot of things here, okay? So I just wanted to let you guys know that the syllabus is on here, and you can download it and have it. I also want to make sure that you have my email right there, rpartida@alvinisd.net. And my conference period is 6th period, which is what I'm doing right now, is doing this video, okay, during my conference period. And I grade stuff, and I make copies, and I do all kinds of stuff during my conference period. So the best way to get a hold of me is, because I'm not always in my class during this period, is to send me an email, okay? And I can respond to you as soon as I can, as soon as I see it on there, on my stuff, okay? So just one more thing, just quickly, just to want to go over some of the stuff that I have on my Google Classroom. Okay, so I'm going to switch back to this. I wanted to kind of show you a little a little about my Google Classroom, right? And so you see here, this is kind of a little presentation I'm going to put on my website, right? And so it just kind of shows you, and it goes through everything that you need to do to get on my Google Classroom, right? You already have the codes on there on my website, but also this will give you direct access to it, okay? And so now you can click on some of the stuff on here and then just go through it, so that you kind of find out how the Google Classroom works. If you haven't used it before, welcome to Google Classroom, but I think everyone's pretty familiar. But if you're not, this is a great time to become familiar with it, and you can just go through here and kind of, it gives you a rundown of everything that you need to know for my Google Classroom. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always email me at rpartida@alvinisd.net. Okay, and I'd be more than happy to walk you through it or do a Google Meets, whatever it is that you want to do. Okay, so I hope this video was informative and I didn't stutter myself too much through here, because I know this is kind of my first video where I have to do stuff like this, and I'm still learning. I'm sure we all are, and I expect nothing less from my students. You know, they're learning also, and they're getting through this. Generally, what you see, you don't see me like this, and so I just wanted to show you what my students see every day. This is really what my students see every day. So you may or may not recognize me in this video, because they don't ever see me like this. Okay, they generally see me like this. So welcome, and I hope I get some of your students beginning again our new school year, and welcome to my virtual open house. Glad to meet you, glad you're here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.